I know, I just want a picture real quick.
Ready? Go.
I know, Bubba.
I need a fucking lighter. I got a plane. Oh shit! Yes! Woo!
I don't even know where it went.
Over the house.
I was trying to catch it as it went up, but I missed it.
They're scared shitless now. I wanted him to come out here so he could experience it. Ooh! That's not good.
That was clean!
Is that it?
Well, there's a couple of smoke bombs and shit left. Yeah, there's a smoke bomb.
We just scared our dogs.
I got one.
Whining, so I brought him out
Yeah,
here.
there's a plane going too. We got one.
Oh, right there! Fire! Fire!
Dude, they would be awesome for war. Fuck yeah. I mean, just crucial.
And they're pretty accurate. Blazer was whining, so I brought him out here, and then y'all started lighting shit off, and he got scared shitless.
Yeah. Dude, I want to see the footage of them tanks blowing up. That would go way. Dude, I was so worried about just lighting other